everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 8 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas to unbox or unbag with all of you. All right, this is what this one looks like. Let's go ahead and open it. Aya's been handing these to me from under the tree, and she likes to tell me what she thinks it is, so it's really fun to have her guess and see if she's right. And she said book, and it is a book. All right, this is a beautiful book, actually. It says Scrappy Celebrations Wrapping Paper from Quilt Designs by Judy Gauthier. It says there are 12 19-inch by 30-inch sheets in here, 3 of each of the designs, and then 12 die-cut gift tags, 12 colorful sheets and matching gift tags for every occasion. It says wrap gifts in beautiful quilt-inspired designs featuring 4 stunning quilt-inspired designs by Judy Gauthier. I don't know. This gift wrap book brings warmth to every present. Enjoy 12 beautifully wrapped sheets that unfold to a spacious 19 inches by 30 inches, perfect for gifts of all sizes. As a bonus, we get 12 matching gift tags to add the perfect finishing touch to your presents. Okay, designed exclusively for Missouri Star Quilt Co. Interesting. Okay, so it's not, I mean, I guess it's not really a book. It's wrapping paper, right? There's a little bit about the author here. Okay, so let me put that up here. You can go ahead and read this at your leisure. Just go ahead and pause the video. Okay. This is so pretty, and it's all quilts that make up the paper here. This is so pretty. Little bow ties and little on point open squares. Oh, I love this so much. So pretty. Okay, so wow. So I said there's, I think, 4 of each design. 3 of each design. So there's 4 designs, 3 of each design. So there's 12 in here. Little cafe fabric, I believe. So pretty, oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see these. I'm not hogging up the screen. I love how these are purples and pinks and blues. So pretty, oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. And then our little gift tags up here. Okay, this is a wonderful gift and so different. I've never seen anything like this before. I'd love to know what your thoughts are down below. If I find this item in Missouri Star's website, I'll go ahead and put it down. Like I said before, I'm not an affiliate or anything, but it certainly makes life easier when you can go ahead and just click on a link in a video that you saw instead of having to search for something yourself. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 9. Is it day number 9? I can't remember. Day number 9. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.